So good evening everyone and welcome in building new habits day 3. So in day 3 what we are going to learn, first of all, best morning habits. We will talk about the best morning habits. We will talk about vision board. Not only talk about vision board, we will learn how to draw our vision board, and the third point is how to set the goals. So these three things we are going to cover in today's session. So now coming to the best morning habits, right? So morning is the foundation for the day. Morning is the foundation for the day. If you want to win your day, so first you have to win your morning. Very much clear. आप यदि सुबह जीत गए तो आप अपने दिन पे फतेह पा सकते हैं, आप अपने दिन को जीत सकते हैं. तो उसके लिए यू नीड टू बिल्ड बेस्ट मॉर्निंग हैबिट्स. आपको बेस्ट मॉर्निंग हैबिट्स बिल्ड करने की जरूरत है. एंड हाउ मच टाइम यू नीड टू एलोकेट. इवन इफ यू आर स्पेंडिंग इन्वेस्टिंग 30 मिनट्स, 30 मिनट भी आप प्रतिदिन देते हो, दैट इज गुड इनफ फॉर योर मॉर्निंग हैबिट. सो फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग हैबिट इज मेडिटेशन, राइट? वी ऑल नो अबाउट द मेडिटेशन. हमने मेडिटेशन सुना ही है, बट क्या हम डेली मेडिटेशन करते हैं? दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्या हमारे पास डेली मेडिटेशन के लिए टाइम है? हमें इसके ऊपर फोकस करने की जरूरत है. देर आर सो मेनी वेज ऑफ मेडिटेशन. मेडिटेशन कैसे करना है? ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट करना है, या ओम चांटिंग करना है, या थर्ड आई पे फोकस करना है. आप किसी भी मेथड को अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं, बट मेडिटेशन करना बहुत जरूरी है. कितने देर करना है? यू कैन स्टार्ट विद 1 मिनट, 2 मिनट, 5 मिनट. इट्स योर चॉइस. यू कैन डू इट फॉर 15 मिनट और 30 मिनट. बट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुमारो, फर्स्ट टाइम आप यदि करने जा रहे हैं, so don't worry about that. Just find the silent place at your home. Be relaxed, cool and calm, and start with the breathe in breathe out. 5-10 cycles आप breathe in breathe out कीजिए, आपकी बॉडी धीरे धीरे नॉर्मल हो जाएगी. देन यू कैन स्टार्ट विद द ओम चांटिंग, गायत्री मंत्र, या जो भी आप मंत्र जॉब आप करते हैं उसके साथ आप कर सकते हैं. तो जो फर्स्ट टाइमर्स हैं उनके साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है कि दे आर नॉट एबल टू कंसंट्रेट. वो कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाते, एंड लॉट मेनी थॉट्स आर रनिंग इन माइंड. तो उनको लगता है कि मैं मेडिटेशन कर रहा हूँ तो ये थॉट्स क्यों आ रहे हैं, ये बंद हो जाने चाहिए. सो यू नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. इफ थॉट्स आर कमिंग इन योर माइंड, that is very normal process, that is very obvious process. Okay, if you are concentrating on your third eye and आपको headache हो रहा है, so don't worry about that. हो सकता है अपना मेडिटेशन का टाइम थोड़ा सा कम कर दीजिए, बट धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करके आप मेडिटेशन में कंफर्टेबल हो जाएंगे. शुरू के 3-4 मिनट कुछ मत कीजिए. आपको मेडिटेशन, आप ये मत सोचिए कि मुझे मेडिटेशन करना है. आप ये मत सोचिए कि मुझे मेडिटेशन करना है. जस्ट आप मेडिटेशन पोज में बैठ जाइए, शांत रहिए. जो भी थॉट्स आपके चल रहे हैं उस थॉट्स को आने दीजिए, जाने दीजिए. धीरे 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 वो सब थॉट्स सेटल हो जाएंगे और आप किसी एक ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर फोकस करने लग जाएंगे. सो इट विल हैपन वेरी इजीली. यू नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. सो फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग हैबिट इज मेडिटेशन. बट बिफोर दैट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि आप मोबाइल फोन वगैरह यूज ना करें. जब भी आप मेडिटेशन या कुछ प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो कोशिश कीजिए कि आप अपना मोबाइल फोन, या तो आप कुछ ओम चांटिंग यदि प्ले कर रहे हैं दैट इज फाइन, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि आप मोबाइल के सहारे ही सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो फर्स्ट इज मेडिटेशन. सेकेंड वन इज अफर्मेशन. So affirmation, as we discussed in day 2, it's related to your belief system. तो नाउ यू आर अवेयर अबाउट योर लिमिटिंग बिलीफ. आपको आपके लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स पता हो गए हैं कि आपके कौन से बिलीफ्स आपको ग्रो करने से रोक रहे हैं. तो अब आपको उसके ऊपर एक्शन लेना है. जैसे मुझे यदि फियर है, मुझे बोलने का फियर है, तो मेरा अफर्मेशन कैसा होगा? आई एम फियरलेस एंड कॉन्फिडेंट, राइट? आई एम फियरलेस एंड कॉन्फिडेंट. यदि मेरी एनर्जी कम होते रहती है तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा? आई एम हाईली एक्टिव एंड एनर्जेटिक. आई एम हाईली एक्टिव एंड एनर्जेटिक. आपको लगता है आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन करते हैं तो आपका अफर्मेशन क्या होगा? आई एम अ मैसिव एक्शन टेकर. आई एम अ मैसिव एक्शन टेकर. ये आपका अफर्मेशन होगा, राइट? सो these are just simple example of affirmation. Like failure is never the final. failure final है क्या? नहीं. failure is never the final. I am the happiest person. past is not equal to future. आपका जो भी पास्ट था वो फ्यूचर के बराबर नहीं है. तो आप पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस को प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. प्रैक्टिस कीजिए इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर। आप मिरर के सामने जितने ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे अफर्मेशन की, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस उतना ही बूस्ट होगा, आपका मूड शिफ्ट उतना ही होगा। कई बार हमको लगता है मेरा मूड नहीं है, अच्छा मूड नहीं है, तो वो जो है थॉट आपके चेंज होंगे, आप हाईली एक्टिव और एनर्जेटिक फील करेंगे। तो अफर्मेशंस कब करना है? सबसे पहले मॉर्निंग में अफर्मेशन करने हैं मिरर के सामने। उसके बाद में दिन में जब भी आपको 5-10 मिनट मिलता है, आपको उसकी चांटिंग करनी है मन ही मन में, आपको अपने अफर्मेशंस को रिपीट करना है, क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा आप रिपीट करेंगे आपका बिलीफ सिस्टम उतना ही स्ट्रांग होगा, राइट? तो अफर्मेशन की हमको हैबिट बिल्ड करनी है। थर्ड वन इज विजुअलाइजेशन। सो विजुअलाइजेशन में आपको विजुअलाइज क्या करना है? सो विल कवर द गोल सेशन आल्सो। तो जो भी आपके गोल्स हैं, जो आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं, आपको उसे विजुअलाइज करना है, राइट? जब आप विजुअलाइज करेंगे तो यह मत सोचिए कि आपका गोल कैसे अचीव होगा। योर मेन जॉब इज टू विजुअलाइज। If you feel some challenges are there but still you visualize those challenges also and feel it, you have overcome those challenges. So visualization of goal is very very important. जो भी आपके फ्यूचर गोल्स हैं उनको ऐसे विजुअलाइज कीजिए जैसे वो अचीव हो चुके हैं। यू हैव ऑलरेडी अचीव्ड योर गोल। visualize in a that way, because you are clearing, you are creating clear mental picture of your goal, right? आपका जो गोल है कि आपको 5-7 बार मकान बनाना है, एक अच्छा बंगला बनाना है, सो विजुअलाइज अबाउट योर ड्रीम हाउस, राइट? कि बाय 4 and 5 years में वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है। तो आपको अपने गोल्स को विजुअलाइज करना है। एंड देन एक्सरसाइज, वी ऑल नो कि एक्सरसाइज कितनी जरूरी है। सो एवरी सिंगल डे स्पेंड 5-10 मिनट फॉर एक्सरसाइज। कुछ भी कीजिए, यू कैन डू जंपिंग, पुशअप्स भी कर सकते हैं, प्लैंक कर सकते हैं, एनीथिंग जो भी आप करें, 5-10 मिनट डेली निकालिए अपनी एक्सरसाइज के लिए, सो दैट आपकी बॉडी हीटअप हो जाएगी, राइट? तो एक्सरसाइज करना बहुत जरूरी है। देन रीडिंग हैबिट, द नंबर वन हैबिट ऑफ ऑल द सक्सेसफुल पीपल इज रीडिंग हैबिट। वो बहुत ज्यादा रीडिंग करते हैं, जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोग हैं, जितने भी लीडर्स हैं। तो यदि आप भी लीडर बनना चाहते हैं, आप भी अपनी लाइफ में, अपने बिजनेस में, अपने जॉब में ग्रो करना चाहते हैं, तो आपको रीडिंग हैबिट डेवलप करनी पड़ेगी। और उसके लिए आपको डेली 5-10-15 मिनट रीड करना है, राइट? 5-10-15 मिनट आपके लिए बहुत जरूरी होगा। उसके बाद में आप धीरे धीरे उसको इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं। एंड द लास्ट वन इज स्क्राइबिंग। स्क्राइबिंग मीन्स जर्नलिंग। जो भी है, आप राइटिंग हैबिट आपको बिल्ड करनी है, जर्नल्स मेंटेन करने हैं कि आज आपने क्या लर्न किया, आज आपकी मिस्टेक्स क्या थी, राइट? अपने जर्नल्स में लिखिए आज क्या प्रॉब्लम आपने फेस किया, उसका सॉल्यूशन कैसे निकाला, right? So you can maintain your journals. So these are the 6 best morning habits, MAVERS, Mavers, right? So please start following this best morning habit, okay? So the best morning habit, I am repeating again: Mavers, meditation, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing, right? So these are the 6 morning habits which you have to follow every single day. 6 morning habits. Okay. So now we will learn how to draw the vision board. Okay. So vision, what is vision board? Vision boards reminds you about your goal. मेरे goal क्या है? What is my goal? Right? What I want to achieve, what I want to be, what I want to be known for. So vision boards remind you what action you have to take to achieve your goal. So here we are talking about goals. Goals means direction, right? No goal, no direction. You are sitting in Odisha, you want to go to Delhi. So your goal is clear. You want to go to Delhi. Your goal is clear. Either you will go by car, you will go by bus, you will go by flight, you will go by train. So your destination is clear. So goal means your destination. If you have a goal, you have a direction. If you don't have a goal, you don't have a direction. So once you know about your goal, you can choose the process, you can choose the path, and that path is your habit. Okay, so your goal is clear, you want to go to Delhi. So what process you will follow? Either by train, by bus, by flight, you will go to Delhi. So गोल सेटिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन अवर लाइफ। हमारी लाइफ में गोल का होना बहुत जरूरी है। इफ वी डोंट हैव अ गोल, वी डोंट हैव अ डायरेक्शन। Remember it. If we don't have a goal, we don't have a direction. If we don't have a goal, we don't have a clarity. If we don't have a goal, we don't have a purpose also. So from that point of view, goal is very, very important. And if you have a goal, you can put it on your vision board. So now please be ready with your A3 sheet, how you can draw your vision board. Okay. So how to draw a vision board? Take your A3 sheet. Everyone, are you ready with your A3 sheet? So first of all, be ready with your A3 sheet. Okay. Now, in your A3 sheet, you have to draw your vision board. So first point is to draw your vision board, you have to be very, very creative. Okay. You have to be very, very creative. First thing. Second thing, place your goals in your vision board. So after 5 years, whatever you want to achieve, okay, after 5 years, either you want to purchase one car or your bungalow or anything, any foreign tour, maybe 3 year, maybe 2 year, maybe 5 year, right? So जो भी आपके goals हैं, whatever goal you have set for your life, that you have to place it on your vision board. For example, one beautiful car. So you can write down the car name or model name. Later on, you paste the picture. Okay. Any forest destination like Dubai, Singapore, you want to visit along with your family. So you can write down Singapore, right? Later on, you can paste one picture. Family goal, you want to give any gift to your family member. So just write down the name gift. Later on, you paste the picture. Okay. Whatever is your dream, right? जो भी आपके dreams है, you want to donate some amount, anything. So that you can place it on your vision board. So once your vision board is ready, first thing, you have to put all the pictures. You have to put your family pictures. Let's say you want to write your book. So paste one picture of book writing. Okay. You want to lose 10 kg or 15 kg weight. So paste some pictures related to exercise or related to healthy habit. Okay. Not only this, whatever ideas, thoughts, quotation are inspiring you, you can note down those quotations also. Whatever quotations are inspiring you, जो भी आपको पॉजिटिव कोट्स इंस्पायर करते हैं, वो आप अपने विजन बोर्ड में मेंशन कर सकते हैं. लाइक कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, राइट? वॉच योर विजन बिफोर वॉचिंग टेलीविजन. डू इट नाउ. टेक एक्शन. नेवर गिव अप. इंस्पायर योरसेल्फ, राइट? थिंक बिग. ड्रीम बिग. एक्ट स्मॉल. So whatever positive quotes are coming in your mind और जो आपको inspire करते हैं, that you can write on your vision board. Okay, so that you can write on your vision board. Just a second. So be creative, place your goals on your vision board, put it over wall. So once your vision board is ready, you can paste it on a wall. So every morning you can watch your vision at least for 3 months or 6 months. Watch your vision before watching television should be your mantra. Watch your vision before watching television should be your mantra. So why vision board is required? You need your goals, and when your goals are written on your vision board, you have pasted all the pictures. So now these pictures are connected to your subconscious mind. Remember, our subconscious mind attract the images. Okay, so whatever is your goals, if you have pasted some pictures, images, so your subconscious mind will attract it. Or multiple times, जब भी आप दिन में घर में हैं, just go and watch your vision. Okay, I want to be, I want to achieve this after 1 year, after 2 year, after 3 year. This is my goals. This is my vision. So every time you will get some energy. Every time you will get the motivation, and that will force you to take action, right? So your vision board will work as a source of energy. Your vision board will work as a source of motivation also. Okay. So vision board होना बहुत जरूरी है. So draw your vision board. Whatever thoughts are coming in your mind, take 2-3 minutes more. Whatever goals are coming in your mind, you want to lose weight, write it down. I want to lose 5 kg weight. That can be your vision, right? You want to start your passive source of income, that can be a part of your vision board. You want to start your own business, that can be a part of your vision board. You want to help needy people, poor people, you want to donate some amount, that can be part of your vision board. You want to transform people's life, that can be part of your vision board. Okay, so ये सारी चीजें आप अपने vision board में mention कर सकते हैं. Okay. So this one is clear to everyone. So now coming to the next is set smart goals. Okay. So just now I was talking about the goal. Goal means direction. Goal means clarity. Goal means purpose. If you have set right goals, it means you are moving in a right direction, right? If you have set the right goals, you are moving in a right direction. So आपके goals कैसे होने चाहिए? Your goals must be smart. Okay. Now, goal setting क्या है? Goal setting means writing unreachable outcome on piece of paper. For example, you want to lose 10 kg weight. So right now it is unreachable, right? Right now it is a difficult. So what you are doing in goal setting process, you are writing your goals on a piece of paper. So at that moment, it looks unreachable. Writing your books is unreachable right now. But after 1 year, definitely you can launch your publish your book. So at current moment, at present moment, it is unreachable outcome. Okay. So goal setting means writing unreachable outcome on a piece of paper. So how you can achieve this unreachable outcome? You can achieve this unreachable outcome by taking action. This is your goal. Right now, it looks unreachable. Okay. But you can achieve your goal, you can reach to your goal by taking daily action. You have started working, and you have achieved your goal. So initially it looks unreachable, but by taking daily consistent action, by taking daily efforts, you have achieved your goals. Okay. So you will achieve your goal by taking daily action, by taking consistent action. Now, types of goals. So there are two types of goals, very simple. First one is performance based goals. You want to improve your performance. Let's say you want to improve your typing speed. So you want to improve your typing performance. So one goal is performance based goal, and the second one is outcome based goals, right? Where you have to increase your output, outcome based goals or result based goals. Okay. So always remember there are two types of goals. One is performance based goal. You want to improve your performance in your office, or you want to improve the performance of your team. So that is performance based goals. Second one is outcome based goals. Sales figure, like sales figure is outcome based goals. Okay. So these two goals you have to remember. Now coming to about take your first step now. So how you can achieve the goals? By taking action. Taking action means you have to take first step from now. Like you are learning about the goal, that is the first step, that you have decided to improve your life. You want to be a better person, and because of that you have decided and you are joining the session, you are learning something new. So you have taken your first step. So goals means what? whatever is your dream, after 1 year, I want to achieve this. That is my dream, but it is on air. I want to buy Audi car. That is my dream, but it is on air. Okay. I want a bungalow, but that is on air. So when you put the date on your dream, it becomes your goal. By 2025, I want to buy Audi car. So what I did, I put the date. Okay, by 2025, I will purchase one bungalow. So I have put the date. So dream means it is on air. Okay, but once you put the date, your dream become your goal. So dream means it is invisible. Now it becomes visible. So turn invisible into visible. So the moment you set the goal, what you are doing basically, you are turning invisible into visible, right? So your dream is invisible now. So by taking action, it will visible. Okay. So first one is health goal. We all know about health goal: mental health, emotional health, physical health. So we have to set some health goal, like I want to lose the weight, I want to build the muscles, or if I'm already fit, but every day I will do some exercise, or 4 days in a week I will do some exercise. So that would be my health goal. Now coming to the relationship goal, you want to improve your relationship with your family member, with your relative. So you will set the relationship goal ki by this period of time I will improve my relationship. So second is relationship goal. Third one is your business goal. Like you want to set up your new business, or you want to start your online business. So you have to decide your business goal. Fourth one is finance goal. You want to improve your finance. You want to clear your all the debt. So that will be your financial goal. या monthly आपको कुछ पैसा पार करना है. After 1 year you want a handsome amount of money. तो आपका financial goal हो जाएगा. Okay. Then spiritual goal कि मुझे daily कुछ spiritual reading करनी है. So that is spiritual goal. And community goal, you want to contribute in your society. आप अपने society में कुछ contribute करना चाहते हैं. You want to do something for your community. You want to give back to your community. तो आपका community goal होगा. Like every month I will donate 1% or 2% of my take home income. So that will be my community goal कि मुझे अपनी community के लिए कुछ करना है, मुझे अपनी society के लिए कुछ करना है. So I'm just repeating. Goal means turning invisible into visible. Once you put the date on your dream, it becomes your goals. Always focus on health goal. Health is wealth, right? If you are fit, healthy, active, and energetic, then only you can focus on remaining 5 goals. If you are not fit, if you are not active, if you are not energetic, if you are not healthy, so you cannot focus on other goals. So always give first priority to health goal. Okay. Then the relationship goal, business goal, finance goal, spiritual goal, and community goal. So these are the six goals. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
So now, what is SMART goal? So SMART goal, S stands for specific goal, M is measurable goal. Okay. Third one is attainable goal. Fourth, R is relevant goal, and T is time bound goal. So when I say specific goal, so what is the meaning of specific goal? I want to make money. I want to lose weight. So when I say I want to make money, this is not the specific goal. Okay, मुझे पैसा बनाना है, मुझे business start करना है. Okay, मुझे weight कम करना है. So this is not the specific goal. How much money you want to generate, or how much money you want to make. If you mention the number, I want to make 50 lakh rupees. Now it is specific. I want to lose 5 kg weight. That is specific. Okay. So why you want to lose, your why must be clear. When you want to lose, your when must be clear. How you can lose the weight, वो भी आपको clear होना चाहिए. So be very specific. What is your goal? You want to improve your communication skill by so and so month. that is very specific goal. You want to write your book by so and so date, that is very specific goal. So you have to make it clear about your goals, because ये आपका goal है, so you can only make it specific. Then miserable goal, मुझे weight loss करना है, this is vague goal. I want to lose 5 kg weight. Now I know my current weight and I know my target weight. So this is miserable, right? You want to move from Orissa to Delhi, this is miserable. Distance is miserable. Okay. So your goal must be miserable. If you say, sir, I want to make 10 lakh rupees, 10 lakh is miserable. Okay. So आपका goal miserable होना चाहिए, जिसको आप measure कर सके. Attainable होना चाहिए, that you can achieve it. Okay. If I say कि नहीं, in 1 month I want to lose 20 kg weight, so it looks difficult. Okay. But if I say in 1 month I want to lose 3, 4 or 5 kg weight, so that is attainable, that is achievable. Okay. So whenever you are setting the goals, make sure कि वो attainable है. If I say I want to make 1 crore rupees in 1 month, so it looks difficult, है ना? If you are setting this kind of goal, so आप frustrate हो जाओगे, negativity आ जाएगी. So you have to think कि yes, it is attainable, it is achievable. I want to make 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 5 lakh rupees in 6 months or 1 month. So it looks achievable, it looks attainable. Okay. Relevant goal, आपके गोल आपसे रिलेवेंट होना चाहिए. Okay. It must be related to you. Then the time bounded goal. So when I say I want to lose 5 kg weight by July 2021, okay, so here I have mentioned the time, July 2021. This is time bounded. I want to start passive source of income by 1st August 2021. This is also time bounded goal. Even you can mention the time by 10 hours, 1st August 2021. Okay. I want to complete my book by 1st August 2021. You can mention time also. So this is a time bounded goal. So whenever you are setting the goals, make sure it is a SMART goal. Okay. SMART definition is clear. 1 point. Let's say you are not writing the goals, you are not setting the goals, it means your direction is not clear. Okay. Second case, you are writing the goals, you have set the goals, every day you are writing the goals, so there is a possibility that you will achieve something, right? At least something you will achieve, because you have set the goal, you are writing the goal. So it is always better to write the goal, set the goals and achieve something, rather than not setting the goal, not writing the goal. As per experts, if you write the goals, so there is a probability of 1,000 times you can achieve your goals. Okay. So if you are not setting the goals, if you are not writing the goals, so definitely you will not achieve anything, because you will move here and there. So goal setting is very, very important. If you have a goal, then only you can build the habit. For example, I want to lose 5 kg weight. This is my goal. By 1st of August, I want to lose 5 kg weight. My direction is clear. My purpose is clear. My motto is clear. So what habit I will build? Daily exercise habit I will build to meet my goal. I will cut down my food intake. Okay. I will go for walk, jog, running to meet this goal. Let's say I want to build a corpus of 1 lakh rupees by 1st August. Okay. So what I will do? I will increase my income. I will generate more income so that I can meet the goal. I will cut down my expenditure so that I can meet the goal. Okay. So your goal is clear. You can build the habit of saving money. Every month parking the money. If you are parking, so what will happen after 3 months, 6 months, you are having good amount of money available. So आपका goal clear होना बहुत जरूरी है. How you can achieve the goals? Very important points. First thing, if your goal is clear, you have to be committed, right? Highly committed. Then only you can achieve the goals. आपको एक्शन लेना है तो एक्शन लेना है, whether you are feeling okay or not okay, but still you are committed to take action. Every morning 5 a.m. if you have to do exercise, means you have to do exercise, and you are committed for that. So commitment is very, very important if you want to achieve the goal. So friends, this is about the SMART goals. Now let me give you some examples of goals. Like I will run 3 kilometer every day from 21st of May 21. Okay, this is the example. 3 kilometer running from 21st of May. So here you can see uh, it's about running. Okay, so it is a specific. How many 3 kilometer every day? Time also we have mentioned. Okay, so this is a specific goal, complete goal. Time भी mention है. Okay, it is related to you also. I will lose 3 kg weight before 3rd August 2021. Okay, measurable है 3 kg. You know your current weight, so you can measure. You are very specific about weight. You also mention the time period. Okay, so this is the smart goal. I will publish first book before 10th Jan 2022. So this is also very much clear goal. We have mentioned the time we are talking about publishing, writing the book. Okay. So I will write total 25,000 words in next 90 days. Okay. So from today, next 90 days, I will write 25,000 words. So this is also specific. I am talking about writing how many days? 90 days. Okay. Then I will start saving 10,000 per month from 1st June 2021. Okay. So this is also a specific goal. So this is all about the goal setting.